May binanggit kasi na, okay, tatalakayin ang impeachment. It should be, the Senate President should be a lawyer. Gatchalian is not. May impact ba yon? May legal issue ba doon?
So first, the Constitution says nothing about dapat ba lawyer
Oo.
yung Senate President o lawyer ba yung presiding officer. Walang requirement ang ating saligang batas, no? So whether lawyer ka o hindi, ang fitness mo to be a presiding officer is judged by a different metrics, no? Or different metrics. Ang number one is impartial ka ba o meron ka bang kakayahan maging impartial? Right? Second, loyal ka ba dun sa rules? Kasi ano to napaka-importante ng rules of procedure dito So, loyal ka ba sa rules? So, hindi ang metrics ay hindi kung abogado ka o hindi. Ang sukatan is kaya mo ba maging impartial? Right? And also, loyal ka ba doon sa rules of procedure ng impeachment? Now, doon natin huhusgahan si Senator Gatchalian. Kasi right now, siya yung presumptive presiding officer, no? Kasi siya yung pinuno ng Senado ngayon. So, yung fitness niya, susukatin natin, meron ba siyang kakayahan maging impartial?
At loyal.
Number two, loyal ba siya dun sa rules? Ibig sabihin, bihasa ba siya dun sa rules? Hindi ba siya pabaya when it comes to the rules? Yung mga ganong sukatan ang dapat natin gawin.
At sana yung mga hindi rin abogado